Hello children, I Vanna Shrivastava today going to teach you poem The Roadside Locksmith by Chitra Padman Bhan. Students, before I start this poem, let's know about the poet Chitra Padman Bhan. Has been a journalist for 25 years and has worked with many major Indian newspapers. She has also written extensively for children and is now associated with Pitara Kids Network. This poem is about a roadside locksmith who is sitting with his wares all spread out. And students, in this poem, we will find that he has a mountain of keys piled around him, and for anyone with a lost key or a lonely lock, the locksmith has the solution. Let's start this poem. Before I start this poem, students, you should know who is locksmith. A person who makes, fits and repair locks, and he is very important person in our life. Why? Because we need keys and locks to secure our homes and our wealth. Locks and keys ensure our safety. This is why the locksmith is important in our lives. Now start this poem. The locksmith sits on the roadside with his wares. A tilted black umbrella blocks the sun's glare. Wares means students think that someone is selling, especially in the street or at a market. The locksmith sits by the roadside with an umbrella. Uh, umbrella with an umbrella standing open beside him to protect him from the glare of the sun. Tilted means student to make something move into a position with one end or side higher than the other. Means the locksmith sit on the roadside with his wares, with all his things that he want to sell, and with tilt, and he has put his umbrella in a way that blocks the sun's glare. Glare means to shine with strong light, or we can say strong light. That umbrella helps to protect him from the sun's glare, or we can say strong light. A mountain of master keys heaped on the ground, some dull, some old, some rusty, some gold. Heaped means a student to put a large amount of something on something. Then it means he has a lots of keys that it's look like a mountain. The locksmith has a heap of keys on the ground beside him. Some of these keys look dull, and some look old. Some are rusty while some shine like gold. Means he has a lots of keys that he put on that street, on that road, and some are dull, some are old, some are rusty, and some golds. We can say he has a pile of different kinds of old keys, dull and rusty and yellow. The locksmith has the answer to every locked door. Students, locksmith has the answer to every locked door, means he designs and makes keys that can fit into lock and open them. He has the solution of every locked keys, means every locked door he has the keys that open the lock that can't be opened because the key is not there, and if you have a key that is lonely and lost. If you have lost your door key, he may be able to find one in the heap that may unlock your door for you. And in case suppose that you have lost a lock but have the key, he may find you a lock from his collection that fits your key. Means if you have lost the key and your door is locked, then he will find out or he will make a key that will open that door. And if suppose that if you have a key that is lonely, and if you have lost the if you have a key and you have lost the lock, then he will make the lock, or he has the lock that will fit that key. Don't worry, don't fret, don't be sad, don't despair. He will find a friendly lock to complete the pair. Fret means students to be worried or unhappy, and despair means unhappy. Now, the locksmith can help anyone find any type of key or lock. So there is no need to fret or despair. There is no need to become unhappy, because he will help you to find. He can help anyone to find any type of key or lock, because he has a different types of keys and locks. And the locksmith can help to find the right key or the right lock. Here pair means a student, the key and lock means he will find the friendly lock means the suitable, or we can the right key or the right lock that will fit your key or lock. Means he has the solution of all the he has the solution that what you have lost, key or lock. Now this is over, student. As I've told you, locksmith is a very important person in our life, because locks and keys secure our wealth and homes, and locks and keys are made by locksmith. That's why he is a very important person and he helps us. Thank you.